Hi everyone, my name is April from Classic Vacuum, and these lamps behind me are air purifiers. Back then they didn't have these big air purifying machines to clean the air like we do today. So in 1898, Maison Berger created the catalytic lamp, which is what you see here. Here's how it works. I brought mine out so I can show you guys, which I have one here at the store that I use, and then I have one at home that I use. So this here is the lamp I have at work. Now, the very first time you use it, you will fill it 2/3 of the way full with your alcohol of choice. It does come with a little funnel, makes it easy to pour it in. And you will let this lamp sit for 20 minutes after you do that. This rope in here needs to soak up that alcohol and come up to your disc. But mine has already done that. So once that part is done, you will actually light your disc. You're going to let the flame stay on it for 2 minutes. It's very important. I've tried it for 1 minute and it doesn't work. So I did put a timer over here, so I'm going to get that started. Once that timer goes off, we'll blow it out and I'll explain more into it. Alright, so my timer is about to go off. There we go. Alright, so now what you're going to do is you'll blow this out, and then you're going to take your cap here and it's going to go right on top. Now, I don't know if you can see these little channels here. So now this burner is going to heat up to 932 degrees. It's very hot, and sometimes you can see it glow. Gets real bright red. It does stay hot now that the flame is out. That's why it's very important that you let it sit with the flame for 2 minutes. Otherwise it doesn't work properly. Now that this piece is on, the disc is going to heat up to that degree, and it's going to act like a vacuum, and it's going to pull the air in towards the disc and come through these channels, hit the disc, and kill those odors, the bacteria, the virus stuff that's in the air in your home. They do recommend that you run it for about 30 minutes. I run mine all the time, especially if I cook fish or bacon or use grease at home for cooking. I mean, within 10 minutes of having this on, you don't smell a thing. I absolutely love it. So I do have something for everyone. I have different scents, whether it's floral, fruity, fresh, oriental. Guys, I have something here too that you would like as well. And ladies, these lamps are beautiful. They sparkle in the light. Price range, right now, the ones that I have from $32 is my low point, and it goes up to $130. So come on in. Again, promotion starts July 13th, goes to July 26th. If you have questions, message me on here. I'll be happy to answer. Thanks, guys. Have a good weekend. Bye.